Who wants to talk about insurance? No? Okay. We'll just go to break then. No, listen.
Nobody.
Well, listen, the economic squeeze, it's felt in every industry, including insurance. So it's great to have financial planner, insurance agent, and wannabe hockey coach Travis Cairns back on this show. What time do we have hockey practice till last night?
10:45.
10:45.
Yes,
oh my goodness!
sir.
Look at you, bright and early.
Toothpicks in the eyes. Keep them open. Let's go.
Perfect. Okay, so how often are you fielding calls about people? Why is my insurance going up?
These days, my employees a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a tough one.
Okay, so why is that? Why is insurance continuing to go up?
So nothing I'm going to say is going to make anyone happy about their insurance rates going up, but I do find when we educate my customers as to the reasons why, it's a little bit helpful. So there is a typical correlation between the economy and insurance rates, and it's at the worst time ever. Don't shoot the messenger. But if you focus on the two I's, inflation and interest rates, you can understand why insurance rates are going up across the industry right now. So everyone knows inflation in 2023 was sky high, right? We started at 7-8%, so that's the average increase in the cost of everything we buy. Well, anyone who's bought anything related to home improvement in the last 5 years can appreciate how the significant increase has happened in drywall, lumber, tools, anything related with that. I think people can understand that. And that's what we pay for, right? Repairing your home, rebuilding a home. Significant increase on that. The auto side, so 8% was the inflation rate in Q1 of 2023. In auto parts, it was 32%. So every claim that we're paying in the auto side is significantly, like 30% higher than it was the year before, okay? So inflation is driving up everything for everyone tenfold when it comes to what insurance has to pay for, okay? The other I, interest rates. So everyone feels the squeeze when interest rates go up, right? Mortgage rates are higher. Rent is crazy high these days, what people pay in rent. So when inflation has to deal with our cost of claims, that interest rate squeeze, which makes people's wallets a little tighter, really affects the frequency of claims in three different types. One is just small claims, right? You know, Tim, you got a roof that needs $2,000, $3,000 of repair. Those are the type of claims that people would a lot of times pay for themselves, right? They don't want to put a claim on their record for something so small, but when money's tight, I have no choice, right? Now I have to claim for that $3,000 item. So it really, death by 1,000 cuts. We just get a lot of these small claims that we wouldn't normally get.
And the good news is?
The Leafs are going to beat Winnipeg on Wednesday? I don't know.
Okay, so you've been in the insurance industry for how many years?
It'd be 17.
17. Okay, so is this the highest you have ever seen?
House, yes. Auto, no.
Okay, so let's go auto, because with like auto thefts, somebody down the street that their car is getting stolen, that's going to be affecting your rates.
Correct. 2023 auto thefts in Canada were double the year before. I just read an article yesterday. In Toronto alone, it was $60 million last year. $60 million. So insurance companies have to pay for that, right? Just like that, gone, right? There's a lot more fraud when you get bad economic times. There's also what we call exaggerated claims. So this is, Tim, you have a flood in your basement. So it's a legit claim, right? You have water in the basement. Suddenly, Tim needs new hockey equipment. His hockey bag ends up in the basement. Suddenly, Tim's eyeballing some new Titleist thinking it's going to help your golf game, which it's not. But suddenly the golf clubs. So the claim amount is exaggerated, the legit claim, but you've exaggerated what actually needs to be paid to you. And all those things, it happens a lot more during bad economic times.
Because you've been paying all that insurance, so you feel that you deserve to.
I'm going to max it out. It's a bank account,
it.
apparently. I'm just going to take my withdrawal.
Okay, so you said we only got 30 seconds, but the auto does go.
Auto's like circles.
Okay.
People I quoted 20 years ago, 15 years ago, rates are very similar. It goes up, we get it under control, it goes back down. Houses, it only costs more to build houses, right? So that typically does not go down. But auto, it's just big circles all the way. So we will come out of, there's the good news. It will come down.
And we've just run out of time.
Perfect.
Look at you, huh? You didn't bring your whiteboard to do all your games.
Much better couch, by the way.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Nice new couch.
Oh, okay, I guess maybe we'll have you back. Good luck. And who are we playing this week?
Stony Creek tonight.
Oh, tonight.
Here we go.
Oh wow. Who's your team?
Brock Badgers.
Brock Badgers. Oh nice. Okay. Thanks, Travis. More Money Live after this.